Hey guys, in this video, I will show you how to log in to YouTube Studio. All right, so let's begin with the video. YouTube Studio is the place where you manage and run your channel, including uploading and organizing videos. So it's essential if you're actively using YouTube as a creator. To get started, go to youtube.com in your browser. Once the page loads, look at the top right corner and click on the Sign In button. You'll then be prompted to enter your Google account details, since YouTube uses your Google or Gmail account. Enter your email or phone number, click Next, then type in your password and continue. After signing in, you'll be taken to the YouTube homepage. From there, click on your profile icon in the top right corner and select Switch Account if you have multiple channels. Choose the specific channel you want to access YouTube Studio for. Once you've selected the correct account, click on your profile icon again, and this time choose YouTube Studio from the drop-down menu. Alternatively, you can go directly by typing studio.youtube.com into your browser's address bar. After entering YouTube Studio, you'll land on the dashboard where you can see an overview of your channel. On the left-hand side, you'll find different sections such as Content, where you can manage your videos. If you want to upload a new video, click on the Create button in the top right corner and follow the steps to upload your content. And that's it. So that's basically how you can log in to YouTube Studio. So that's all for this video. See you in the next one. Thanks.